So there's going to be, out of these four corners, there's going to be a highlighted corner. You can see it right here. And then on the motherboard, we're just going to plug it in according to the directions. And it looks like it's going to fit in like this. Cool. Alright, now we're peeling off this this sticker here, and we're going to put another sticker on top of it before we apply the thermal paste. It's got a little like ruby certain looking things, little dots there. Alright, now we got the little thingies on there. We're going to apply the thermal paste. We're gonna remove the sticker. Perfect. Now we're going to apply the cooler, heat sink, or whatever it's called. And use the clips to attach it.
There.
Now we're going to screw them down, make sure they're tight and secure. And here is the CPU fan connection. We're plugging them in here from the coolant. Right. Here's the control module for all the goodies. We're going to plug this guy in according to the directions and everything.